The following movie is rated I.
Are you tired of all those knotted up extension cords? Those clumsy wire reels? The unmanageable long extension cords? Then I found a product for you.
Welcome to Cheezy's Garage again for another awesome review. Well, I say it's awesome, but you guys can say whatever you want about it. This review will be in the back of the microvan. Wow, it's got some pretty good weight. Today we have a 50-foot retractable cord reel, 14 gauge wire. It does have a reset. Claim rating is 13 amps at 125 volts. Comes with these wall anchor mounts and these wall anchor mounts for concrete. Take your pick. The brand is Himimi, model NAE-D15. It does have a built-in breaker. Not sure where to mount this quite yet. I may mount this outside in my garage, but it would be nice to have one in here. Looks like it comes with a 3-foot connection power cord, and this is a 50-foot retractable cord with 3 plugs, molded solid, standard receptacle, neutral, hot, and ground. The neutral is always the bigger slot. And of course the ground is that D-shaped slot. They always put these on top so you can't plug in your plug upside down and have the ground go past this. Let's find a place to mount this. I'll mount it up. Let's see how long it is. That's it. This is only 25 feet. Claims 50. Definitely pretty long.
That's what she said.
Pretty close. I got 48 feet. Definitely nice and long.
That's what she said.
Let's see how it reels back in. Oh, it's got a good spring. As long as it stays sprung, yeah, I like it. I don't have to mess with those extension cords anymore.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.